All right, so I'm creating a website and I upload it to the web and none of the images are working. Why does this happen? This is a very, very common problem. It's also super easy to fix. Happens to me, all the time. I've had this happen throughout my web, design career. So many times I upload and I'm like, oh, that image isn't working. What's going on? I know right away how to fix the problem. It's very easy. So there are a few simple steps you can take to avoid this problem and make sure everything's working. The first thing, I always create a folder on my desktop where my site is going to be, where it's going to go. Okay, so I've created this folder. Next thing I do, I take my images I am going to use and I put them in this folder. So create the folder, put all the images you're going to use in this folder. Put them in the folder. Next, take your website. So I've created this fake dummy site, Dr. Pastor's testing website. And what I'm going to do is before I put an image in this page, so I've just created this index, before I put one image here, I need to save this to that folder. So I'm going to find my folder, which I've done, and I'm going to save it. Now I'm ready to actually put an image on this page. Insert image. I'm going to find my image. I'm going to find my folder. I'm going to click OK, and I have my image. I'm going to save it. Now I'm ready to upload. Let's upload it to CyberDuck and see what it looks like. Let's go into CyberDuck, which I already have open. I'm just going to take my class 3, my example folder. So this CyberDuck is just an FTP program. You can use any FTP program to upload it to the web. I'm simply just going to take this whole entire folder and drag it over. Just asking me if I want to replace everything. Okay, it just had asked me if I wanted to replace everything to ensure if I want to do that. So you can see I went to raypastor.com, which is my website, and I had to type in that folder name. Look, took me to the website, image is working. So the steps again, if you're not sure, if you forget, create a folder on your desktop, put all the images you're going to use in that folder. Create your website. Before you put images on that website, save it to that folder as well. If you want a really easy way to check before you upload if your images are going to work, click on the image, look at the properties, and check the source. See how my source is it just says the name of my image here? If yours is saying something like, C drive, apps, username, all this stuff like that, it's wrong. You've done it wrong. It should simply say your image name. Thank you.